Hi, today we're going to talk about how to make natural sweeteners. So this is gur, and gur has a lot of benefits, and it's like dark brown sugar. So this is a little bit light. I buy the dark one, but somehow I didn't find that, so I got this one. And this is way better than the white powder sugar. So if I'm making anything sugary sweet, I am going to add this liquid little bit, so I add enough water and I'm soaking this one. I'm going to melt this and then cool it and keep it in my jar, so whenever I make something which requires any sweetener, I can add this one. So this process, you can make natural sweetener which has a lot of health benefits than white powder sugar. So as you can see, this is already boiling and it's melted. So I'm just going to thicken it a little bit and then let it cool for overnight. And once it is cool, then I'm going to put it in my glass jars and save it. It doesn't have to be refrigerated. You can just put it outside or you can keep it inside the refrigerator. Either way, it will last you for a couple of weeks, and then I make a new one. So anytime you want to add it to something, you can add whatever amount you like, how sweet you want it to be. But this is natural sweetener and it's good for the health. So here is the natural sweetener, and it's thick enough, not too thick though. So it has like this consistency, but you can make it more thick. So I'm just going to make something sweet for God's prayer and puja. I'm going to use this instead of white sugar. So here's the nice cool gourd which I got it from yesterday, and today is nice and cool, so I put it in a glass jar. So you can keep it in your pantry, you can keep it in a refrigerator, and use it as your sweetener with your tea, coffee, or any other things, anything that's sweet you want to make.